What's up, everybody? I just washed the bike. I'm going for a very short ride. I seen this road that I've never been down, and I was curious where it goes. So I didn't look at the map. I'm just gonna go straight over there. Other than that, I'm just gonna chill for an hour. Whatever, you know, see what happens. What's good? What's up? This thing is so much faster. I like it, but I'm just not used to it yet. Dude, I'm in such a great mood today. You know, the bike is running again. Everything, you know, it doesn't get much better than this, dude. It really don't. Bro, I love bikes, bro. Alright, it's somewhere right up here. Bruh. You're fucking lying, dude. Oh my. So, I got an error code 25. That's because I changed my sprockets. So, we're gonna go do the mod to get my gear indicator back.